Happy Saturday evening. I'm First Warning meteorologist Diana Clemens, and take a look out at our Regions Field. Cam, you see they're getting ready for that game at 6:30. The Barons are playing Huntsville, so it should be a good game, and conditions are looking great out there. They're getting lucky right now with some blue skies. We have seen some showers and storms throughout the afternoon. Temperatures are in the upper 80s, feeling like the mid 90s though, and it should inch off as we go throughout the evening, but it's still feeling pretty sticky and humid out there. That's going to continue as we go throughout the afternoon. Taking a look at our First Warning live radar, you can see that most of us are actually in the clear for the most part. If we take a look at how these storms have been tracking out over the past hour, it looks like Walker County, Coleman County saw some showers down towards Coosa, had a stronger cell push through to the south, but mostly all of us are staying clear for the most part, so that's good, and those storms are fizzling out. We'll track how that happens to play out as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours. As we head into tomorrow though, we are at a 1 out of 5 risk for storms. Basically what that means is we're expecting more storms in the forecast, stronger cell storms, maybe some flooding and heavier rain, as well as some lightning. So we'll keep an eye on how that starts to move as we go into tomorrow, tracking out what that will look like for our rain chances. You can see Sunday, we're looking at about a 40% chance for most of us. So we will see some rain in the forecast, and it will actually trickle into Monday, a little bit less towards Tuscaloosa, Greensboro even, but most of us are going to see some more rain, especially if you're in Pell City or even Gadsden, more rain chances up there. Now, tracking out how that's going to look as we head throughout tonight and into tomorrow, you can see that there is going to be a lot more coverage as expected as we head into tomorrow. Models are kind of picking up on a little bit more stronger of storms. So I'll keep an eye on how that actually looks as we go into tomorrow. And that disturbance that they've been talking about in the tropics, you can kind of see it start to pull on this model here as it pushes its way into the northern Gulf. We'll watch how that starts to push as we head into early next week. Since they did upgrade our tropics as of this afternoon, we're looking at a 40% chance within the next 7 days of development. What that basically means is that they're starting to see some more organizations. Models are kind of latching on to that development, but it doesn't mean that a tropical storm or depression can actually form out of it. It just looks like that system is shifting its way more north, and it could bring some more rip currents up if you're heading to the coast. Just be careful, keep an eye on the water and the radar. But once that low kind of pushes its way through, the reason why I don't think there would be too much development with that tropical system is due to that high pressure that's going to push its way in from the west. When it does, it's going to raise our temperatures, and it's going to kind of keep us in the clear for rain as we head throughout next week. And it's also going to keep us nice and hot. Look at those heat indices between 105 to 110 as we head throughout the midweek. We'll keep an eye on some heat advisories and heat criteria as we go throughout next week, because it will be a scorcher for us. As we go to tomorrow, we will see scattered showers and storms, and that will linger into Monday with some of that Gulf moisture from that tropical disturbance. But once that clears out and that high moves its way in, we'll see mid 90s and feeling like the triple digits. It is going to be a hot one next week.